Hey everybody, this is Jay. I just want to point out a quick change that we've made in Pro version 2046, particularly in this option. If you use this option in point of sale, require user for a login for each invoice. We've made a subtle but important change that I think you're going to like. It's going to make things a little bit easier at point of sale to keep you from having to go back and forth between the mouse and the keyboard. So if you use this option, this video is for you. Let me jump over into point of sale and show you that now. When you use that option previously, the drop-down menu would drop down and it would force you to select an employee before starting each ticket. Each time an invoice is finalized, or if you clear the invoice or exit point of sale and come back, the first thing it will do is ask you for the employee, so it can determine who is doing this ticket and who has access. So we changed this over because the feedback that we got from it was that it was a bit difficult to fumbling around with that drop-down control. So I believe we simplified this, and I think you're going to like the change. So rather than clicking the drop-down and fumbling with that, you can just enter in an employee ID number. Every employee has a number assigned to them. So it starts with the default user for the particular workstation that you're at. So if yours is first, you can just hit enter and it selects your name. And if you have the security turned on too, it will ask you for the PIN. So you can just enter that, and then it will continue. It'll jump over here to the customer, to the customer input. And again, if I clear the screen or finalize, again, it starts back at the top. So again, rather than going to the drop down, you can type an employee number, enter, and it will select it that way. You can see everybody's employee numbers, by dropping down the list there, and it'll show you their ID. So I believe, and if you do select the name, it will change it as well. But I believe that should make life a little easier on you between tickets, just entering the number, or if yours is there by default, just press enter, and it'll go straight to that employee. So hopefully that'll make things easier for you.